I've been in the courtroom for 29 years. For the last 12 years, I've been our district attorney here in Adams County. I've had hundreds of trials. I've spent my entire career in the courtroom, and I'm in the best position to make that next step to try and fill one of those judge positions.
The fortunate thing that we have in Adams County is we have somebody with an exceptional background and exceptional ability as a prosecutor and as a lawyer. You have Shawn, who has prosecuted cases at the highest level of this government. He's handled grand jury investigations, he's handled death penalty cases successfully, him being the only one who has a successful death penalty prosecution in Adams County's recent history. His ability to try cases in the courtroom is unmatched in this county, and the fact is we're lucky to have somebody who can hit the ground running like Shawn, who's prepared to handle anything that might come his way.
As a district attorney for the last 12 years, my #1 priority has been public safety. As a parent, it's equally, if not more important, because I'm raising children in this community. We need judges who will ensure that Adams County remains a safe place for all of us to live and for all of us to work, and most importantly, for all of us to raise our families.
Mike was working at the Lincoln Trading Post, and while he was working there, 2 teens came into the shop, and it ended up becoming an attempted robbery and shooting. Michael ended up with 5 shots, was in critical condition for 14 days. We didn't know whether he was going to make it or not. He had multiple surgeries. During that time, getting to know Shawn, he listened. He gave us a voice. He understood the severity of the situation. He learned about our family and the dynamics and how horrific this was. You know, he listened every step of the way. He understood where I was coming from, and the compassion and the kindness and the support was phenomenal. I knew I could always lean on Shawn. I knew if I needed someone to understand, to explain something, he was always there.
There's not a doubt in my mind, as somebody who's worked with him for years, seen other judges on the bench both here and in other counties, that Shawn Wagner is somebody who can take the bench from day one and be the type of leader and the type of judge that we need.
I'm proud to say that I know him because I know he cares about Adams County, he cares about the citizens, and he's always been an active part of the community, and that's what it takes. And really and truly, at the end of the day, it's because he cares.